Hi, Frank Rose here with MarineMax Danvers, Massachusetts with Sailfish's new 2020 290 center console. The boat is powered with twin 300 Yamahas, both in white. In the back here you have rod holders, a retractable ski pole, folding aft bench, access door. As you move forward, the console over here, you have plenty of storage drawers, bait prep station, sink, rocket launchers in the back as well as on the T-top. Moving forward, the console, this one has the twin Garmin screens, Fusion Bluetooth stereo, VHF radio, stainless steel tilt wheel, captain chairs that you can fold up into bolsters or have them down for seating. This also has Sailfish's console top organizer. Great place to keep like your phone and stuff like that dry. Up here we have vessel view, so you can see everything that's going on with your motors, fuel burn, temperatures, oil pressures. Coming forward, you have the forward Yeti cooler seat, bow cushions, backrest for lounging. Can also be kicked out of the way. We have hardtop, LED spreader lights, courtesy lights. Spreader lights are forward and aft. As we come around here to the port side, you have a nice large head with sink, storage for your table, your bow table. Plenty of room, extra drawers for storage in there as well. And that's Sailfish's 290. If you'd like to see one of these boats, please give me a call. I'm Frank Rose at MarineMax Danvers, Massachusetts. Phone number 978-716-2475. Thank you very much.